Hello, my dear children. Let us continue with chapter Construction of Triangles. I hope you all are fit and fine at your home. Problem set 4. Dear children, kindly note that question number 3 from problem set 4 is reduced, that is, it is omitted. Now, this problem set is all over just revising whatever we have learned in this chapter. Now, let's see. Question number 1. Construct triangle XYZ such that XY plus XZ is equal to 10.3 centimeter. YZ is equal to 4.9 centimeter. Angle XYZ is equal to 45 degree. I hope you people are remembering something. Yes, this is from construction 1. It says to construct a triangle when its base and the angle edges into the base and sum of the lengths of the remaining sides is given. That is, one angle is given, then sum of the lengths of remaining side is given and the base is given. Let's continue. This is your rough figure. Let's see the explanation of the rough figure. As shown in the figure, draw say YZ as 4.9 centimeter. Draw ray YT making an angle of 45 degree with YZ. Take point W on ray YT such that YW is equal to 10.3 centimeter. Now YX plus XW is equal to YW. Reason Y dash X dash W. Let us substitute the values, that is Yx plus Xw is equal to 10.3 centimeter. Let's give this equation 1. Also, Xy plus Xz is equal to 10.3 centimeter, equation 2 given. Therefore, Yx plus Xw is equal to Xy plus Xz. That is from equation 1 and 2. Therefore, here you can see, children, Yx and Xy is coming, so it will get cancelled. It is on both the sides of the equation, so it will get cancelled. What is remaining? Xw is equal to Xz. Therefore, point X is on the perpendicular bisector of WZ. Therefore, the point of intersection of ray YT and perpendicular bisector of sec WZ is point X. Steps for construction. Step number 1. Draw seg YZ of length 4.9 centimeter. Step number 2. Draw an angle measuring 45 degree at vertex Y and on this ray locate point P such that YP is equal to 10.3. This is the way your ray will be drawn. That is, an angle will be formed of 45 degree. Taking your rounder, you will cut an arc of 10.3 centimeter from point Y and name it as point P. This is the way you will be naming. Then you will draw sec PZ. Now draw a line as bisector of PZ intersecting ray YP at point X. This is the way you will be drawing, constructing the perpendicular bisector, and it will be meeting point P. It will be meeting line PY at X. Now draw sec XZ. So children, our triangle is formed. Triangle XYZ is our required triangle. Question number 2. Construct triangle ABC in which angle B is equal to 70 degree, angle C is equal to 60 degree, AB plus BC plus AC is equal to 11.2 centimeter. Yeah, this is from our last session, that is construction 3. That is, to construct a triangle, if its perimeter, base and the angles are given. So let us see the explanation and the rough figure. This is the rough figure of your sum. Let's see the explanation. As shown in the figure, take point D and E on line BC such that BD is equal to AB and CE is equal to AC. That is equation 1. BD plus BC plus CE is equal to DE. That is D dash B dash C and B dash C dash E. AB plus BC plus AC is equal to DE. Let's give that equation 3. Also, AB plus BC plus AC is equal to 11.2 centimeter, equation 3, and this is given in a question. So, ultimately, DE will become 11.2 centimeter, that is from 2 and 3. Now, see the next part of the question. Triangle ADB, AB is equal to BD, that is from 1. Angle BAD is equal to angle BDA. Let's give that X and 4. Isosceles triangle theorem is the reason. Now in triangle ABD, angle B is the exterior angle. So angle BAD plus angle BDA is equal to angle ABC. Remote interior angle theorem. As we have considered it as X, so X, substituting the values, X plus X is equal to 70 degree from 4. 2x is equal to 70 degree. Dividing both sides by 2, we get x equal to 35 degree. So our angle will become 35 degree. Similarly, we can prove the next angle as 30 degree as it is given in the question as 60 degree. Now in triangle ADE, angle D is equal to 35 degree, angle E is equal to 30 degree, and angle DE and side DE is given as 11.2 centimeter. This is hence, children. Hence, angle ADE can be drawn. Since AB is equal to BD, so point B lies on the perpendicular bisector of seg AD. Also, AC is equal to CE. Point C lies on the perpendicular bisector of seg AE. Point B and C can be located by drawing the perpendicular bisectors of AD and AE respectively. Therefore, triangle ABC can be drawn. Let's see the construction. Steps for construction. Step number 1. Draw seg PQ of length 11.2 cm. Step number 2. Draw an angle measuring 35 degree from point P and 30 degree from point Q. This is the way you will be constructing your angles. The point at which these rays are meeting, we will name it as point A. Draw line L and M as the bisector of AP and AQ respectively. This is the way you will be drawing your perpendicular bisector. Line L is done, line M is also done. Now we'll be joining seg AB and seg AC. So our triangle ABC is formed. Therefore, triangle ABC is the required triangle. Question 3 is omitted. Question number 4. Construct triangle PQR in which PQ minus PR is equal to 4.2 centimeter. QR is equal to 6.4 centimeter and angle PQR is equal to 55 degree. I hope you people are remembering something. Yes, it is from construction 2. It states that to construct a triangle when its base An angle adjacent to the base and the difference between the remaining sides is given. Let us see the rough figure. Explanation. Here PQ minus PR is equal to 2.4 centimeter. PQ is greater than PR. As shown in the rough figure, draw sec QR as 6.4 centimeter. Draw ray QT making angle of 55 degree with QR. Take point S on ray QT such that QS is equal to 2.4 centimeter. Now QS will be PQ minus PS, that is Q dash S dash P. PQ minus PS is equal to 2.4 centimeter, which is already given. So let us give that equation 1. QP minus PR is equal to 2.4, equation 2, which is given. Here it was not given, we have just substituted the value. So now we will be taking these two equations, that is PQ minus PS is equal to QP minus RP, that is from equation 1 and equation 2. So both the sides PQ is there, so it will get cancelled. So PS is equal to PR. Point P is on the perpendicular bisector of seg RS. Therefore, point P is the intersection of ray QT and the perpendicular bisector of seg RS. Let us see the steps for construction. Draw segment QR of length 4.6 centimeter. Draw an angle measuring 55 degree at vertex Q. On this ray, locate point T such that length QT is equal to 2.4 centimeter. Draw seg RT. This is the way you will construct. Take a rounder, mark a ray of 2.4 centimeter. Join TR or RT. The next step, draw line L as a perpendicular bisector of RT intersecting ray QT at point P. Here it will be intersecting. This is your perpendicular bisector. Next step, draw PR. And lastly, this is our triangle PQR is formed. Therefore, triangle PQR is the required triangle. This is the end of session 4 and also the end of the chapter. Thank you so much, dear children. Please do practice this construction as it is scoring and it is very easy to do. See the videos multiple times so that you can understand it well. I request you to stay at home, stay well, stay safe, and please do your studies on time. Stay blessed. Goodbye.